Yeah, actually this seems to work. The question is, how far can I get until it drops down? Hello everybody and welcome to day 50 of my S-Step restoration project. Last week I had no time to take the engine block to my machine shop or even load it into the car. I will try to achieve this today, and furthermore I will start cleaning the big mess here up, otherwise I won't be able to continue with the transmission rebuild next week. I'm publishing an update on this car project every weekend, so in case you aren't on board yet, consider subscribing to my channel, and if doing so, please also ring the notification bell. Even though I cleaned the block up a little bit before reassembly, oil is still dripping from everywhere, so in the first step I will wrap this into some plastic. Which is easier said than done. I don't know the weight of this block without all the internals and accessories, but I actually considered carrying this on my body, so let's try it out. I think the center of gravity is somewhere here, because this part seems much heavier than this here. Yeah, actually this seems to work. The question is, how far can I get until it drops down? The biggest obstacle is out of the way now. So, that's for the thumbnail. So here we go. So the block is loaded into my truck and I can get it to the machine shop on Monday. I'm back, it's already later this day, honestly it's already tomorrow, but let's attempt the cleanup. I have now gained plenty of space, so the transmission rebuild can continue next week. In between, you want to take a look onto the S-Type playlist or a few other videos I will link on the end screen. See you back on my channel. Goodbye.